Bonjour à tous and welcome everyone to Language Fluent. I am Reva, your French tutor, and in this video we are going to be looking at some basic French salutations, that is greetings, that will be very handy to you when you visit to a French speaking country or when you're dealing with a French native. And here are some salutations. Voila, so to give you a little brief about the greetings or salutations, these are basically the ones that come really handy when you deal in your everyday life, like good morning, hello, good night, see you later, goodbye, etc. So these salutations in this video I have avoided translating it directly into English and kept it more pictorial so that you guys can relate it directly to the scenario instead of translating it to some other language and then understanding it. So I hope this is useful. Let's look at how it goes. Et voila. So the first salutation, as we all know, the golden word in French, which is bonjour. It is basically hello, which is used all around the day. It's not specifically anything like good morning, but it's used as hello. Whenever you greet someone, they say bonjour. It can be used all around the day, and yeah, it's a very important word in France. They use it all the time. So let me repeat the pronunciation. It's bonjour. Then we have bonsoir. So as you can look in the picture, it is good evening. So bonsoir basically is a direct translation for good evening. Soir means evening and bon means good. So bonsoir means good evening. Let me repeat the pronunciation for all of you. It's bonsoir. Bonsoir. Voila, c'est ça. Then we have bonne nuit. So like we can see, you all know the meaning. I don't even have to explain it to you. It's obviously good night. So bonne nuit. Now here you will ask why it's B-O-N-N-E. So nuit is a feminine word. It's la nuit. So we have bonne nuit, and we don't have bonne nuit like bonsoir, but bonne nuit. And nuit is not, the pronunciation has year in it. It's nuit and it's not nuit. So please get the pronunciation right, all of you. It's bonne nuit. So bonne nuit. Voila, c'est ça. Then we have salut, which is a very easy word and it's more informal. It's casually used. So it's like hi, and the T at the end of it is silent. So they say salut, and do not call it salute because they don't pronounce the T in the end. It's salut. Then we have au revoir. Au revoir is basically used when you're leaving, when you want to say bye. But the direct meaning of au revoir is basically see you again or until we meet next time. So it's au revoir, until you see you again. Voir is to see, revoir is to see you again. So until next time is au revoir. Okay, then we have à plus tard. À plus tard is basically see you later. So again here the plus and tar, the S and D at the end of it is silent, guys. So it's à plus tard. À plus tard. Okay, à plus tard. Then we have à demain, which is used very frequently. It's all the time. You can listen to this particular salutation over there. It's à demain. Again over here the N is not pronounced. It's all silent. So it's à demain, which specifically means see you tomorrow. So à demain. And in the end we have bon weekend. So again, weekend is a masculine word, so it's le weekend, and it's not de, it's not weekend, it's weekend de. So it's bon weekend. And just so you all know, there are no de and te in French. It's always de or te. So this is something that you can always remember when you come across some new word. It's bon weekend. So bon weekend. Voila. So let's again go back to let's revise all the salutations one by one. So okay, first we have bon weekend, à demain, à plus tard, au revoir, salut, bonne nuit, bonsoir, bonjour. Oui. So So these were some basic salutation, guys. I hope the video was useful to you, and for more such videos on basic French vocabulary and grammar, stay tuned to our YouTube channel Language Fluent. Au revoir and à bientôt.